Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use a Roblox support ticket. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're on Roblox and having an issue, whether it's forgetting your password or PIN, needing help with appealing an account suspension, or dealing with other problems, I'll walk you through the entire process. Now, open up the Roblox app. You can do this either on the app itself or by visiting roblox.com if you're on a computer. In the app, tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option labeled Help and Safety. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you'll be presented with a couple of options. If you're dealing with a violation related to community guidelines or an account suspension, tap on Violations and Appeals. But if you need general assistance, tap on Support. This will take you to a Contact Us form where you'll be prompted to enter your username, first name, and, most importantly, your email address so that Roblox knows how to contact you. Next, you'll move on to Issue Details. For instance, let's say you're on an iPhone. Under the Type of Help dropdown, you can select from several categories: account hacked, login problems, bugs, help with a gift card, or purchase issues using Robux. If your account was hacked or you can't log in, you can then narrow it down to something like Forgot Password. After choosing the issue, describe it in detail in the description box. You could write something like, "Forgot password. I can show you proof this is my account," and continue explaining the situation. Once finished, hit Continue. That's one method, but there's also another way to submit a specific support ticket. Go back and tap on the Help section. Here, scroll to the very bottom of the screen. You'll see links for common issues like, "I forgot my password," "I want to keep my account safe," "unauthorized charges," or "how to redeem or spend a gift card." Tap on any of those that relate to your issue. Say you tap Forgot my password, it will walk you through steps, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see a button for Contact Customer Support. Tap on that and it will open up the web-based form at roblox.com. This version looks very similar to the in-app form. Enter your username, email, and again, under Issue Details, you can select options like iPhone, age-based settings, parental controls, DMCA concerns, gift cards, safety, or technical issues. After submitting, Roblox should contact you via email within a few days. They'll walk you through how to fix your problem or resolve your issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use a Roblox support ticket. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.